Good morning guys, welcome back to my grammar channel. In the previous class I started will and would. So today I am going to start a next modal verb, that is shall and should. Shall and should is used for advice, offer, suggestion, moral duty. Let's see the example. I shall. So very rarely the sentence will form in shall, only by using the helping verb, that is I and we. So I shall go to market, we shall come with you, I shall go to party, we shall make the dinner. So such sentences we can use using the shall by using helping verb I and we. So let's see the next segment using the question form. Same thing, the helping verb will come first, then subject, then V1. Shall we start class? Shall I help you? Shall we go now? So shall is used for more polite form or a formal English. Shall I come with you? Shall we go to market? So such sentences you can use by using the shall, and it sound more formal in English. So let's see the next one, how it is used in the suggestion. Shall we practice phonics today? Shall we start a new lesson? Shall we practice English today? So such sentences is used in suggestion by using the modal, that is shall. Shall we discuss the lesson? Shall we discuss the question paper? Next, offers. Shall I carry your bag? Shall I open window? Shall I help you? So shall is used for the request, offer, suggestion, and it sound a more polite and a formal in English. So let's see the should now. Should is used for advice, suggestion, and the moral duty. Same thing, subject, helping verb, modal verb plus V1. We should respect teachers. So here we are showing the moral duty. We should respect teacher, we should respect elders, we should listen our elders. Students should complete homework on time. You should practice English daily. So this is a advice we are giving to someone. At that time we should use a modal should. So next comes a negative form. You can use along with should a not, subject, should not. So should not can be used in the contraction form, that is shouldn't, and the base form is a V1. We should not waste time, or we shouldn't waste time. Children should not use mobile excessively, or children shouldn't use mobile excessively. Both you can use should not or shouldn't. So question form, should, a modal form will come first, then subject, then V1. So should we revise the lesson? Should students wear uniform? Should teachers come early? Should parents attend the meeting? So such sentences is used for advice, suggestion, and moral duty. So I hope you get to know how the shall and should is used in many situations, in advice, suggestion, moral duty, offer, etc. So practice and make more sentences by using the model. It will really help in your daily communication and enhance your English language. But stay with me to learn a more modal verb and improve your language. But don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.